Hello from my kitchen. So today I'm making salami, something super delicious and super easy. There are only two difficulties in this entire exercise. First, you need a good quality meat, and the second I tell you in a minute. So let's start. This is pork meat. Buy a good quality meat and mince it yourself, so you know what you've got. It is important that it's got some fat in it too. Then salt, and don't worry about the measurements for now. I will place it in the description below. So we need salt and freshly ground pepper, black pepper, and garlic. So I just freshly ground it. That's the best for the flavor. And we need some brandy, scotch, cognac, what you've got. So this is for the preservation of the meat, also for the taste. And that's all on ingredients we need. You can optionally add some rosemary or thyme or other herbs if you like, but it is very important to remember that you need dry, absolutely dry, all ingredients, the herbs or spices you are adding. So they have to be completely dry. So I dehydrated my own garlic. It's definitely much better than the garlic powder what you can buy, because the flavor is amazing then. So it's definitely worth it to dehydrate the garlic. And also if you want to add some other spices or herbs, all of them have to be crispy dry. So now is the exercise to mix it all together properly. And by the way, I have one salami ready that I've done about over a month ago, and we are already enjoying it. So I show you at the end of the video how the finished product look like. And that's actually the second difficulty by making salami. The difficulty is to wait 4 weeks until you can enjoy it, because we are not cooking it, we are not smoking it, we are not baking it. This will dehydrate in the fridge. We'll have to mix it for a while so it really gets sticky. You can use a glove. If you don't have a glove, make sure your hands are super clean. I'm mixing the meat for at least 2 minutes, I would say, or even more. When you finished mixing, it should stick like this, so you know you mixed well. Once I finished mixing, I divided into 4 pieces, just roughly. because we are having no skin here, the polenta will be our skin. I try to form 4 pieces now, more or less even, so they will dehydrate, they will dry at the same time. And really, it has to be nice and firm, everything. I like to have them shorter because it's easier to turn them. Because this will be the exercise for the next 4 weeks actually. But believe me, it's worth it. So you can make them thinner or a bit thicker. So if they are thinner, they will dehydrate quicker. But then also when you are enjoying them, so they will dehydrate even more because you are not eating them all at once. So I roll it in the polenta. You can also use the yellow corn flour, the yellow one, not the corn flour, the starch. This is a pretty soft situation here, obviously, but this will change once it's dry. I will show you the finished result in a minute. And we do the same with all 4. The meat has to be firm together. The polenta plays an important role because it's basically protecting the meat, and also the meat can breathe and dehydrate nicely, but it's still got like a barrier. This plate goes to the fridge, and very important, turn it daily. So I'm best to choose like one time of a day, like straight when you after breakfast or before your first coffee or so you won't forget it. And after 4 weeks and turning daily, I will show you what you get. So basically, after 4 weeks, I keep it in a paper bag, and then we enjoy it as we want, when we want. And this is the finished product after 4 weeks. You can see, nice and firm. So I will put the ingredients in the description under the video, and also on my website. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to put a like, thumb up, subscribe to my channel if you still didn't, hit the bell so you get notified about the upcoming videos. Let me know how did you go. If you have any questions, also put them in the comments below. I will enjoy a few pieces now, and I hope to see you again soon. Yummy.